Yeah, I have a pair of nice flip-flops, leather, bought in Asia, Southeast Asia. Sole worn down, I put on another sole, that also worn down. So now I tore off all the rubber, and it's like you have the middle shoe there. I put on Velcro, what do you call it, Velcro tape with contact adhesive, and I used a pretty little heavy duty one. I think there is wider and it's stronger, and parts, as you can see, I cut it in half here. Sandpaper for cleaning off the rubber sole. The one here looks like this on the business side. Bought in Asia, less than $2 a pair. Quality, I don't know. That could be a bit. They break sometimes, and so. But next time when I need to change the sole, I just open up the Velcro, and I'm fine. I just easily put on another one. It was difficult to get the rubber soles off, the middle one there. I had reception staff tearing at the sole and tearing at the leather part of the flip-flop, and also using a sharp knife, and we worked through. Yes, here is the result. Shoe with nice, at least nice looking sole. When it's worn down, I can just tear it off and put on a new pair on the shoes. An alternative which friends suggested was to buy new shoes, of course, but it took me 1 month to break these slippers in, so I don't have to do that work again. So that may be a nice way to use your shoes for a longer time and be able to put on new soles yourself.